everyone, I'm gonna make a shooting star piñata as requested by our birthday girl. I'm gonna make the tail of the shooting star first because, that's the part that holds the candy. As you can see, I cut out two big pieces of cardboard into this half rainbow shape. They're gonna be the front and the back. For the side, I cut out 2-inch width strips from old beaten up cardboard boxes because it's easier to bend. Combination of packing tape and painter's tape to tape the pieces together. Leave the opening for the candies to get in. Let's get the fun part started. I got various colors of tissue paper, cut them into a fringe, and used the school glue to glue them onto cardboard. Just remember to work your fringe from bottom to top. I left a hole here to thread my twine through. We're gonna hang it up on the tree later. Little helpers to get the candies in there. Candies are all in. It felt really heavy. I used duct tape to cover the opening and used more tissue paper to cover the duct tape. Just to make it more fun, I'm gonna make some gold and iridescent tassels for the shooting star. Those are the photo backdrop from last year's birthday party. I'm so happy I got to repurpose them for, another birthday. I just wrapped them in my hand until I like the fullness, the look of it, and I used twine to tie the center. It's some glitter duct tape to finish it off. And of course, I need my scissors to give the ends a little bit haircut. This is what the tassels look like on the bottom of the shooting star. Oh, finally, the star. I cut up star shapes from a cereal box and used my old good friend glitter duct tape. I just think the star needs a little bit eyelashes to look cuter. This is the final look. The shooting star with the rainbow tail and metallic tassels. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna beat it up very soon. See you next time.